Okay, for this problem, um, we're going to start by distributing the -2 right here. Let me use a highlighter on this. This -2 is in front of this set of parentheses. So I'm going to copy down the 1/3 y. That's not going anywhere. But then you're going to pick up this -2 and distribute it. So when I take a -2 times an 8/3 y, it's the same thing as -2/1. So it's just numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. And it's a negative times, this is actually a positive 8/3. So a negative times a positive is a negative. And then 2 times 8 is 16, and 1 times 3 is 3. Y. And then you go back and get the -2 times the positive z, and that's a -2z. And then you can combine like terms. You can add y's with y's and z's with z's. All I have are these two here that are like terms. And I have a 1/3 minus 16/3. Now, when you're doing subtraction or addition, adding or subtracting of fractions, you have to have the same denominator, which we do. They're both thirds. So the denominator stays as thirds, and you just subtract your numerators. So 1/3 minus 16/3. If I only have one and I'm trying to take 16 from it, that would leave me at -15/3. But a -5 divided by this is really a +3, is a -5. That's where the -5 comes from, and that's -5, and then the y goes along for the ride because it's just part of the term. And then you're still with the -2z after that. Neither of these two are like terms, so this is my final answer. And I hope that explains how that one's done.